So I needed to change out my smoke alarm, carbon monoxide detectors, needed to change them out in our rental home. The problem is the plug that the wiring in the house wires to the detector, they don't really sell that style of plug anymore, like at your general hardware stores, or, you know, you can't really find this device. It's older. As far as I know, the company doesn't even exist anymore. But there is a bunch of other brands like this. I think this is First Alert. Anyway, you got to find these adapters, and these are exactly what I needed. So the cabling throughout our house that runs through all of the detectors uses this style of plug, well, the female version of this style plug, and the new smokes use this style of plug. So this is a 20 pack. I only have 5 in the house, but it's good for the future or whatever. This is exactly what we need. I've got a couple of them already installed. Everything's working, tested, everything is great. This is exactly what you need if you're going from an older smoke alarm to a newer model. Get it?